Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include blind spot monitor, rear heated seats, dual power sun moonroof, ventilated seats. Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.